HICCTV Security Group.
Welcome to HICCTV Security Group. Here in this project we want to introduce one of the best sellers of Tiandy technology. This camera, it's a mini bullet TCC35WS, and it's a 5 megapixel camera, built-in microphone, and it's actually one of the best camera, especially for residentials. And in this project we installed 2 cameras, one in the back and one in the front. After my talking, you will see exactly the image quality of this camera, and I think it can be a very good option for especially residentials because of the price, image quality, and the low light performance. Thank you so much. This is the other camera, and we installed it in the front, and it's supposed to cover exactly the whole area in the front, and we'll show you exactly the monitor to see the image quality and performance. Thank you.